Okay, here's his Masker's new cage. Here's his big sponge. Here's Masker. Sorry about this. It's his tunnel. See if I can get it in there. Tunnel all the way through. Here's the other side of it. I don't know if you can see that, but the spider webs. His log that he has in here. All new bedding, crap like that. His side view. And it's in general though his new cage.